You're going to need to do to use DampRid, what this is it's a moisture removing tool. Now you can see right here, I'm in a closet, so this is where I'm going to use it. Any place that can get unexpected moisture is where you actually want to use this. This is my closet, so I'm just going to leave it on my shelf, and it basically lasts for an extremely long time. This right here is 1 pound. You can basically just take off the lid. In doing so, it'll automatically start removing moisture from the room. Now, it's important to replace one of these every 45 days, but it's basically going to be charcoal activated so that it can actually remove all the moisture that's the room that you're actually in. You can use this on boats, cars, closets, bathrooms, sinks, or wherever you think your house desires. But this is very easy to use. It's very disposable, so make sure you're replacing it frequently, at least every 60 days, like the latest every 45 days it recommends. But that's all you need to do. And I personally just place it on my shelf like so, and just leave it there, let it sit, and bang, you're good to go. Just let it sit and set a reminder to actually, change it off, of course.